Hey guys, this is part two. Do you hear that noise? Now it's gotten louder than the first time recorded. This is kind of odd. My stepbrother and I don't know what this noise is, and he told me to go outside and check it out. Here I am, and I have no idea what the hell that noise is, and it's pretty loud. It's decent, and I have no idea where it's coming from. Look, this noise has been going on since after an hour already, and I have no idea what it is. But it's freaky. But I have no idea what it is. What is that? Seriously, what the hell is that noise? Where's it coming from? Look, it's got louder. Look. It's got louder and louder than the first one I recorded. Alright, this is I believe part two of my neighborhood. Part one was just because I got a part of it. This is a part two. This is very loud. What the? Alright. That's it, folks.